King parallel circuit. Parallel circuit. Okay. And we need breadboard. One breadboard. Switch. We need power supply. Power supply and light bulb. Three light bulbs. Parallel. First thing, we need to assemble this first. Power supply here, switch here, I think. So we need to wire it. Positive, negative. Change. Kailangan balikan ang na-skip na DRM. Sa bawat may color na lumabas within the time limit, makakakuha ang additional 5,000 pesos. Bibigyan ng chance ang rally winner na dagdagan ang kanyang time with the rapid rumble question. Pero, kapag may malabas niya from the 6 DRM of 6 colors with any order in the time limit, pananalo siya ng 1 million pesos. Black. Sorry. May additional time at 12 seconds para laruin ang jackpot round natin. At ang pinakamalinaw, let's put the negatives. Then green for the positive. Pag sinabi mo yung pass, automatic parang mali sa amin yun. We move on to the next question. Kaya. Eto na! Here are your rapid ruffle. So let's start simulating. And if we higher up the voltage. Ayon sa Biblia, sa Egypt nirahan ang mga Israelita sa panahon ni Joseph. 0.9 I think. 1.9.